Boom, what's up guys? How y'all doing? You're watching me and it's me. Yo, what's up guys? How y'all doing today? I'm feeling positive. Hope you're feeling positive. Thank you guys for coming to the vlog. First off, second off, we have to emergency evacuate our home right now due to weather-related circumstances. We have a hurricane coming our way. It's a Category 2. It's Hurricane Nate. So my family and I, we're all packed up, ready to go, and we're gonna go to my mom's house about 45 minutes north of here and take shelter for about 24 hours. And we're gonna keep you guys updated. So let's go. Okay, we are gonna grab a bite before we go to my mom's because I don't know, I'm pretty sure she's not gonna make dinner for like another 2 hours. I'm gonna be hungry as hell. Okay, so Rowan and Jessica and I have decided that tomorrow's vlog, since we're doing a double vlog today, tomorrow's vlog, we are going to reveal the big surprise to you guys. Oh my god, I almost dropped. So yeah, we are going to reveal the big surprise. Some of you may have already picked up on it. Some of you may have already like, oh, I know exactly what it is.
Do you?
It's like it's a video.
Rude.
Guys, we are here. Robo, what you doing back there? Oh, he's asleep. I didn't even know. He gone. We are at the Ranchero. Here we go. And this is the chickens. Where is everybody? Hey, Mama, you got her? Cool. I'm gonna go out here and have a cigarette. Kids don't smoke, it's an awful habit, it's awful. Peaceful Creek Ranch is pretty freaking sweet out here. It's pretty mellow. I'm gonna sit you down for a second. Yeah, so we're out here vacating for a day or two. At 8 o'clock tonight, the entire highway, East Beach, West Beach, 59, anything south of the Intercoastal Bridge system is going to be completely closed down until 6 a.m. tomorrow. So winds are supposed to be between 40 and 60, and they're going to build to a Category 2 and go to 80 to 100. So I don't really know how that's going to affect our house. There's a boat marine next to our house. I hope it doesn't completely trash our place, but we will see. Prayers and vibes needed to us and everybody else involved in the situation.
Visitors who have come into town and have decided to ride out the storm in their condos along there. Great idea just to stay inside. You know, it's one thing to be behind bullet lifted up in the storm surge and put, you know, hundreds of yards inland and high and dry by this time tomorrow. But the main thing is those things could be replaced. something we want to avoid here tonight.
And we've seen that so many times, and Nate has proved to be deadly before as it was coming through. So make sure that you are very careful. We saw a video earlier of a young man.
What you guys doing?
Watch your mom pick a kid. Listen to her talk to these chickens. That's awesome.
Hey, Bean. Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
I love it. I love them.
They will step on your feet. They do not.
My mom's chicken coop. Y'all check this out. I've shown you guys this in a vlog or two before, but this is the other 6 family members that came at once.
Tea time.
They don't like sharing their food. Like those? What are those?
Oyster shells.
Ground up oyster shells?
Calcium replacement.
Huh. What's up, guys?
I just raked this today.
Yeah. Cool, good talk. You gotta say to all the viewers, you're in the vlog. Okay, good talk. You're not this crazy, okay? He does not disappear like this.
What, babe?
Where did that thing come from?
What?
Whose baby is that? Oh, what are we doing? We're doing spirits?
My Baysions.
Wait, what'd you call it?
My Baysions. Play up in her.
Wait, one more time?
It's a hurricane party up in her.
Okay. Storm update. First off, it's getting worse. It's getting darker outside. The wind's picking up. The rain's getting pretty heavy. There was a tornado in Gulf Shores a couple of hours ago. It's getting pretty crazy. I don't think that it's going to be as bad as everybody thinks it's going to be, but I definitely think that we are going to have to be here until tomorrow around lunch for sure. I feel like the wind is going to be pretty intense. And like I said earlier, the skeleton construction situation that's going on next to my house is pretty intense. So and I don't want to be in my house next to that when that wind is picking up. But yeah, I'm about to go outside and help Mark do some stuff. Yeah, let's do it. Lily. Lily.
What if Harlan is scared?
No, he's probably napping.
A tornado. So we'll leave that there. We'll get back to it in just a moment. But we're going through all of this because there's a tornado.
Yeah, we're gonna keep you updated on the storm. As you know, we're here, like South Mobile, North Baldwin County area, for an evacuation from our home in Orange Beach, for Hurricane Nate. But yeah, thank you guys for coming to the vlog. We're gonna keep you posted on the storm. We love you guys. We will see y'all tomorrow. Have a great night. Stay safe. And yeah, later.